Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah say, I saw for a young common Bawumia, a tofu, the castle was I'm a pathology. Okay, why are they watching another? Rainy before you see in a token. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah Cassana or Cassa with pain, yow, and what the cassette Dr. Bawumia. Bawumia will win the election. 31st, 9 days to go. 9 days, Bawumia will win the election. MPP for a lot of mistake. Spiritually, Bawumia Tiakunyano. So we hear mistake, no more pano at the mark candidate power. Party in the position for 20 good years. Kennedy will not be a flag of MPP. Kennedy better the party without by after Brandon. Kennedy will be the different party. But they got the point of John as well. Oh, power the flag balance is the only kake. Only flag balance cannot get idea. When I look at character of Kennedy, it is a Kennedy to me about one thing. Ever pagan and buy in Achawa. Yeah, movie. The name of the Casa 2020 and because in the realm of the spirit, me who said Parliament a change constitution either 2029 and now say Mahama will go for a tete. Ghana don't need president now. But right now, one thing that Ghana need is leader. And one thing I am waiting for that Yakasa Ebimuno. Yakasa will to me. Same. Yes. That's it. When they map and this in planning for me, emergency.
Okay.
Because me who is Sumbia and Nampoemoba. Me here honorable Jiros Dabra. Me here Yamami Jena Jamai.
Vice President.
Vice President. Me here is serious.
Okay.
And I me here Sami Jensi.
I was celebrating a countdown in Gusua, Kaya, kind of from Akuma and Kono 9 days near the primaries. No, Asha society the heats no a more Ayashi Yipa. Honorable Kanapum Purple, a Japan, and a Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, a camp run a woman air chess, honorable Nano in the cat, Sabri, one ray. Now a fatch open Sepa, and from a Dr. Muhammad Bawumia said, and Sambia will kind of fan also a trofono, a idea would be a group of Panufina, honorable, so the patcho, set one patcho, a can 9 days, yes, I will say, I said, no, Dan China. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah of Penny was actually a D4. Now, Wababa can't say be Amagana D4 be a Busia will free power chesser. One more air shall come Edema Dr. Muhammad Bawumiano, woman in a young control and Yamisa Womo and She. I was now watching down more Dr. Muhammad Bawumia did and also the narratives there of my one in some London fortress and some walking there. Dr. Muhammad Bawumia some working and I'm so I'm a D4 be a boy for the year passes day and as of Penny to me chess a D4 air shall come Edco a fan and you will not fan watchers a year in controlling na and some more and yes, who could you ever be and common? I feel your chance and Kobiasa and also Saturday or my Ghana. In the Pamia, Saya, if you mumina, a year to 3, ye MP and another year with film or Parliament House to China. Mammy to Wako, ya na sorry, my dear. Yes, sorry, I say, and yaws upon so Adani Ediato, a day and a few so a woman in a ye need Dr. Powerman is in Kunya, Baby Como Mestre, so become when you move for Pabana, Comana Pabano, not when you say Spabatons, and what I saw the Bono, ever come on Sano, after between the first person, Yawansa, if you can't come in, so become home, and would differ Pabana for you. But if you Papa be able to about the another more than such a conclusion. Yes, I feel me share and send a fish up. I feel commentary. A happy new year. And happy new year. Or therefore, countdown your Kaya Sabri a drew 9 days. Na MPP for a quaco to Womaba. Na a campaign with why she pa. A different so when you brepa motion come. Na Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah some more be kan ye no na ma different be a bofu. Me sa wo de wo bi a wo so won commission wa hye dem Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah just say wo mo a hye nkom de kwa afa no. Ye nyame na hye wo mo hye san control no se ne be na wo bi a wonye sika wa ban mu na wa wi aban oman no e be kwa akọbọka e wo prime minister na sika wo wi ayi ni na akwa akọhye. E different bi eti kwa apan. Odi fo nsemi ho de ne se.
You mother say na metia wotie fo no wahwefo nyina. Say let's was here. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah say asofo ese nkoma Bawumia e ya tofo ne kase we say no pesa wo kire. Okay. Why are they watching na adwen?
Okay.
Oh yeah. We me dey bia because say nyame som e ya den kire.
Okay.
Wa be kire na adwen. Ba nya sa na nyame ka.
Okay.
E ni nipa e wa be kire na adwen.
Okay.
Na hinta sem kra wo no ankasa ho. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah emma bi abonitua and maybe I will poor Mokasia. Abonitia.
Abo Reverend
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Okay, would you for
what you won't share in the was here from 2026 going. More no my best start to say ever. May your market say, or your soft penny.
Okay.
Until rather baby be the craft and hotel and find to have one time in your quantity.
Okay.
But to a stand say, or the back on Tia Becca's or more some come up Bawumia, at of war. And the message you rather some infamano. And maybe on your martinage and maybe on your manante. It be more bonidia.
Odifo yen hwa asem a Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah kan ye no na me wi aya banye nti a wo afi ya ne nsem ne beto monten so asa na wo de adi nsem ne eba ye hwe Bible mu ane so pani kan se bi siu na no hene ne kwa akụ adifo ni nyina be hwe kom so na nakọ na abedi nkunim ana ka adifo ba akụ ne kofre ne bai ono ko mo kofre no hene se we de on kan se papa bi ada enti ye nkofre no wo mo kofre ne bai no ka che ne se okun no a wo ko no nya de obesan aba wo ko mo se me kai me man ka so bon ka se am pass wo ko ye no ne ono kan ye no ne be Womu a adifo do na be kan ni nyina no omu de nyina kwa koye encontra omu de na
medase me twa wa bi nkwa kire
okay
Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah na nkasa ne num asem na me be gina so e de ebu ni fo
okay
ye Ghana na Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah be ka se John Dramani Mahama eso fundaka mako fo na fundaka na so John Dramani Mahama no moja aye Mahama nsa ho a ewurade atome Mahama fi o my Ghana se Mahama ntimi di president da na se Mahama ntimi di president ono Isaac Owusu Bempah obeja anya medjuma in the Bible beto form na Mahama eye ni papone ni a oboman na Mahama deserve so be president bi e dia mo my Ghana ono no be ka asem no
okay
Njelo so nyankopon no ka asem kire no that time no na ta anya me ya trofo ana
ene na eno so me ma ofato ho we ni ehwe eno so bi si Bible da no difo no ko ka che hene Hezekiah se wonya ne nsama ase no wo babu abra wo ka wie na wo koye difo krona ene san ba be ka che ne se na me se wo de hwe ni bia ka ne mfi afei de we nyanwu Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah ene be ka ne wo ken abra e ba be to aba Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah ene san ka se na me se afei de papa yakoma plenty
me ba cho wa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah ye penecha no respect no e yentro
wanka
na me anka hwe ankyere no woni
oh difo
Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah twa maka 1 month na ya to aba dan oba abonte be ka say Mahama akoma panti awurade de o minor challenges oboa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah me to chema no me respect no but asem no kan na me nkare
na me de o minor money
me ba cho me say na me nkare ye ni edifo a you see in the token ye na ye kan 2021 that time me nya ya de kura say the Mahama e ba be ye flag bearer de ama NDC
okay
na MPP for your ma de kura so be ye nyoma tro ka magana for be to abeti o
okay
and ye share come say Mahama beba na Mahama ba MP se be ko parliament o mu do 100 e no na kire say nya me kasa enya dia Isaac Owusu Bempah kama ne kire wade e to bi wa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah kasa na wo kan o kasa with pain yaw and what the cassette Dr. Bawumia
said doctor anything
a pain because I brought about power or you juma my party no under or you be penny pure. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah MP penny purely. Our MPP membership card be obi.
Would you for frosted the
yes or MP penny
okay
or MP penny
our cassette
oh mammy
okay
let's show MP penny
okay
it is also make a chance or also tell me baby I don't know Mahama no also fundaka I imagine one so tell me bit naturally
okay
enti me say bitterness e ye yaw e no Owusu Bempah de ka say edi ka say tia Bawumia Bawumia nya ne boni bia papa me wade na di nesi akonya so just said 2028 no election in Ghana enti ye nto aba e na Bawumia be wini na se ye to aba wo Ghana mpo Bawumia onye president 2028 but election we yo ko ne de so no nyankopon de na ye den atena akonya no so yes enti me papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah onchai kasa na wakasa no
okay odifo ka se nyame edi ne wadi se mama na ranka so kopani saade nkane di se ba
ye ka wa
ko na ase na so wanko wo se Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah bitterness bi woni mutina ode kasa tia Dr. Muhammad Bawumia yimi sa se ne won so bitterness bi wo mutina ne nkomhye ne ba na wan fa nkwa afi na woda ne di yana
debi mba cha woni bibi
debi
Mainly Reverend because when penny asking me.
Okay.
But to extend say nyame nimpa baba bonti aba condemn no nyame nimpa be no. Me prophet Dr. Powerman. Me ne sa nimpa ne agree.
Okay.
Nyame dwuma na ye no bie no wo ye penny chen obi a. Adom krona na ye na yekuta. Wona wodi so for 200 years krona akola ketwa afi na oba betimi a chen wo nyame dwuma ne. But I make an what must say. Okay. And what doesn't mean say Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah is popular and I say na do me kuta no so chen obi ade. Never.
Okay.
Adoma chede me nkasentia obi ado. It is a Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah no okase bi o kan. Also okase asofo bi no ma senkoma ma Bawumia. E bi no ma sama Kennedy. Na mo ye na ye mo mpaye. Na ye nhwe bi urade de ne be yeden. Ebeba. But as asofo penny don't condemn Obi. No more na to see about who's can almost come Kennedy. Yes, you know now.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes.
I say, BJ,
we are to discover.
A BJ scout.
We are to discover. Yeah, know this guy. But they didn't want to scan a year, you Mamma Kennedy.
Odi for say na nkomhye no ankwa afa esi dent na te service ni nyina se na wo kan wo say nyame ba ko na adwuma na mo nyina mo ye enta dent na se di ni bi hye nkom ko ha eko na wo bi so hye nkom ko bi a mo agree to disagree
anytime we bin ka kire wo say nyame adwuma na da ho de wo bia ne ha wa nyame fele no
okay
ye wo bia ne na adom
okay
ebi sum nsuo ebi sum motia ebi sum ba abosom ebi sum Mary spirit ebi sum aviata ebi sum asiata and ebi sum family spirit
familiar spirit
okay and ebi sum pesia
okay
and a lot of mammon and other stuff
okay
what as here and you will to me be any baby and anger and sources here a fever
okay
but that must here and the Bible sama yati as yes so me han yeden any chaka and your more we is so no who omunjuma wu and no more we han no who omunjuma so awe den yentena Ghana and yem fa so for asem koma abem accurate ya won come say ya won come say ya won mind prophecy ya won certain prophecy and ya won reading prophecy and ya won mo hwe wo internet
okay
no mo be ka de ebesi what as here some call for no enti no say me papa Isaac Owusu Bempah ka so bi no ma be say kom no be atro dia and your more magistrate say kom ka ni no say atro oh yes mama kan no kwanta ye ba to general election
okay
mahama ne Bawumia ebi no ko Bawumia fa aso we be say kom me ameka ho bi ye say kom ma NDC ebe me doesn't mean that we are powerful than those who prophesy ma Dr. Bawumia
okay
what must here na me dwuma na ye no won interpretation in prophetic is different you have will be acting the prophetic as here then ever and some will be at as here some are genuinely and what doesn't mean that you come not share well obi o who comes from afar but God can change his mind anytime. And you can make sure say interpretation in prophetic is different way than mention. What I say, it is our interpretation of what ministry mono. So we are some penny na we ni mo ade bia no be ka say tia so.
Okay. I say ni ohu na ade ni betimi atras.
You ohu na ade no betimi atras here. And you can catch us say me am tie say be say nkom a me na me nim tumi am kuta and bia say me nkom.
Okay.
But what must say? So for be a legal no betimi catch us we hu nyame da. Ana say nyame we share you so baby Debbie. Obi en wala ka tell them come sana what if you so the buy Debbie. Oh yes.
Na nkom na mo she free hin.
The Holy Spirit dey use you.
Holy Spirit or him.
Holy Spirit no no.
Okay.
Oh ya sanya abosom je o ma abosom de no. Sa na yeso de na tie.
Okay.
About a be senses. Okay. Ebi o wa wo to say TV. Ebi ba wo wa sure say can we. What as we can now. We believe that in that Holy Spirit that we mention his name and then this message here there. Every sa na ya adwen so for now. Sa na adwen na chele. And na ye so you want to say TV no. Yes ya adwen chele the Holy Spirit na there e chele. Ento obi o we ni so. But na ye tumi bi na there. E you so obi o wa or sense but na ye tumi foforo bi na there. E you so. But what must here? And it is sometimes there can be a differ. It depends of interpretation who can that person.
Then ye odifo wo mu so ya na e hye nkom na wo mu se obofo a me ni ye adwuma me nimu no onu de wo ka asem nkyerema ne to fa ahoda Saa bofo no de message ni brem nti we kyerɛ sɛ na making ebebe mu no wo mo so e
me ba cho me sro ni de no osofo bi oyusu bofo wa asase o to de ni adwuma bi onya sofo
odifo
obi oyusu bofo de ni ye nyame dwuma sɛ me dia me bofo de sei me bofo no se minye sei yakoto sorry bofo. You are not a genuine man of God. Tie me ba me kyerem Bible ama yate ase say abofo ene abode mu kuma kra ye ni payes of us so be cha abofo
okay
ye ni control abofo ye kyerɛ de abofo no ye den enye
okay
bofo bi eni hɔ a okuta to me kyɛn nipa nyame bo abofo so omo mbesom me no mienu omo be ye so ye de ye pe na abofo be den ebe
okay
inji so bi ka kyerɛ sɛ abofo control na that person adwene bo
enye sɛ bofo control mu bofo na the information ni bre no
there be bofo be na de bai
okay
Yanko abofo mo use message omo yae ye wan you Gabriel Angel Rafa Angel Michael and you Gabriel ne duma ya ne de wan Angel Rafa ne duma ya ne de wan ye were a lot of angels. What I said, angel Kamahel Michelle, there were a lot of angels. You will be able to do my oil. Into be the buff for be doing what only Bible, say, in the Bible more. I am the day that said, maybe more for your friend or something, maybe go for the more for so that person used a different spirit on earth because there were second chance angels.
Okay.
I am go broke or more went to Mian Kosubium.
Okay.
Almost was as is what they didn't mention their names in the Bible. And uncle for 3 years, in the river to make the sound above only behind I because only a second time they are pleading for God to give them second chance. If up to now, uncle for that's what as it will be. And he said, if you are using them to work, I know that means you are directly from God. You are vanished. Why are
Odi for yenshe. We ne professor is go to Bempah can watch us on Nyagde. And yenshe ne Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne senior advisor the money campaign team so abeka say and also to say na watch us one no die. And found say before no air share come down Dr. Muhammad Bawumia and answer wine. When you didn't be ni ewo amanyosam nkomhye mu fi say eye wo mo amanyofo no e na e de post ni data wo gada no e de koma mo e de fu no mo dina so ahwe so de ahyenkom and also je ne say
ero no ye omo a san kofo ne omo ye adwuma obi de say me am tie MPP ni ben no pe ma asem because omo say ma say nkom say omo be ko parliament omo ndo 100 enti na MPP fo dia me enti data no why na de bre me
okay.
And I'm not prophesying because of to get something.
Okay.
Me yam na me duma. E bi mo se me ye this for so. Normal. E bi mo so se me ye Ghana so for. Normal.
Okay.
And me that me pa no kasa sa me hunta na adwene wo fom. And na asofo bi no na ama kwan. Asofo ni bi o. And sa politicians na ye duma.
Okay.
And no more informations. And I'm not part of them. We know them, but I'm not part of them. I don't know that was ever part of the Owusu Bempah. Or say in to him. Yeah, call you to see him to him. Before, yeah, if I see us, yeah, let me hear before me see. Yeah, it's me fresh away, baby, you couldn't way bury, way Owusu.
Yeah, Professor the Owusu Bempah. That in come she be anywhere farm on your some who Ghana ha you.
My mentor, what they want to come to your national prophecies.
Okay.
Tell me Owusu Bempah comes a national prophecy. Overcome Kufado the Anepe. National prophecies. Tell me also that comes national prophecies.
Okay.
National prophecies. Tell me. Obi or Mammy Chow, some come say air premier. When the last time I know, yeah, prophecy bar, Emma Bawumia. I die a quarter up with election and the tour was a Bawumia and the baby couldn't always fear me cow. In Tanya, my share ground said prophecies here also a doors until I make Kodina among the doors native. Debbie, man shed their air cost Debbie, maybe I never directed after I don't want to say campaign.
Okay.
And I'm a commission door. Actually, I was saying before. But or more, ever go to the property I dance off with, or my carrier, or when you know, said no, I didn't know about me. And they come out about Bawumia. Maybe now so not to see this guy mass for me. And you know said, I'm not for Kennedy Bempah Owa. Kennedy will not be a fragment for MPP. Kennedy better the party without my entry chair.
Oh
yes, or better the party.
Or better the party.
No, I'm catching. Kennedy better the party.
I won't mind gun.
Oh yes.
Odifo they can't call back when we want any party to the afraid that there's some around the man.
Kennedy better the party. What the heck? Wouldn't say that time, no, and this is here. Party ne go.
Party be answer na again.
MPP go.
Oh, party omo koye primaries na.
Oh, man. Omo ko I don't know koye. But omo ya sa de we are. Egu.
E dey ntin na wo twese party na gu because na nyomo from we dey Ghana for say o we no party be akọ position na say election bi ba say ya sa na party be afem.
Man no wa. Ya wo Ghana how. Experience election in 1992.
Okay.
And I'm starting some experience election.
Okay.
What I say? But the MPP na ye ni mo no. Yes, party mbecha miensa. Ni e for na make asa perform market na grade. MPP party mbecha kare. O pass ma make but date to. Any date ya da by boto. And
22nd July.
22nd July. Let's say January. Yeah, 22nd January. Let's say but date to a party mbecha mieno. Can be because support MPP. Mo be in a different party. After promise, can you be in a different party because of where Sibina and Sambia are cross war, sa campaign women or more yellow, any in Sambia PP, you know. Secondly, design for training MPP party na party we are not the other said party no, I did about one party na sign agent and nine so a unity.
Okay.
Now, our unity is so American intimate or training our unity in money.
And there's a
what can on path or your trough walk on path.
Oh, therefore, then on up why, yeah, Ujana Swaka won't pass.
Mammy can't occur.
Okay.
Say, my Kennedy himself about the dinner for primary, sir. Uncle Wendy, so for be attempt. Don't say your letters, and I'm sorry. Or be the or Kennedy cars will be in Kumipa. Or the Nimpa set now for dancing.
Okay.
And Barazan and the letters say what will be in pot tables. Okay. Ghana na ye one go for being fun and be serious. A bit is selling. Who can't send back quite a bit. Nipana what who see o the pana or say na near Juma, the more young could see us all them. No way Jimmy and our class solid. We are Quasia now class solid. Ultimately, be madam, you must see the atom. Me against you know, many issue. Okay. But the person trying to say, we have certain words here. If you want to become a president here, don't say it in your mouth. Ever quit you.
Paul said me abofra me dwen sa abofra.
When abofra dwen. And until before we be president, we have rules and regulations.
Enipa nsesa.
Enipa nsesa. There will be osesa.
It's the honorable one more kase sa be the honorable wasesa.
Oh, Chapel John. Me say kare de Chapel John as well. O pa wo de ma fa gbara si bi o mi ni keke. O mi ni fa gbara se bo keke no de kade. When I look at character of Kennedy Japan. Oh, sir. Yes.
Ebi so chese Paul crab so.
Oh, mommy, ya Paul wan ya Paul. Yeah, Paul yeah no. So yeah no wan ya Kennedy ye bi.
For no know what tata.
Oh, yes. Who just saw the oba bi asidi na tem. Okay. What tata so for say ye na nanu ma so ye so abreso. Okay. And no start is so go kutia nyame bi for. And nyame sempaka for. Who say yesu the oba asidi na tem. Chire me Bible mo bi oba asidi na tem. Chire bi. Okay. Children go to the children, they are better 10,000 this year. Or Bible, natural will be a bassi dinner. Okay. And I will be a Okuta Bible or mind more a link in ideas. For time, or yes, I know you're honorable. No, MP. No, you're honorable. It's honorable to a stand. I dare ultimate what is him. AUPA, who free, whom I met bad came to her and will free. Ultimate what they are about them. For and some now on my working a compare with Japan kind and no number more so for living so. Then kind of some most because your Bible on the grass and some. In the send any more can be a young man of God be in himself. Yanko Pons saw a Jimmy Samuel Bible. Okay. And the young so far, young Nante. Not as a young yet for Porto Bonnet. Okay. And the minutes as a mere genuine man of God. Nanya member son and double son. Until second Papa Fontaine. No the partner and ma at all. They never support Kennedy. And so because any because of our bitterness in any influence from function as well. Only the Panama. There be any influence. Ye to Mamma Wadi, yet Mamma Bonsam. Will be a no yet Mama or yet Mamma Mahama or the Queen office of Guinea Pig. Yamin or Fred and whatever I do into the corner. Only a linear to ma. Okay. And now when say come say ka say come say nimpa nti ase me ameti e die wa den ka beti na kama na be because me nya be so mafo.
Okay. Into which my say come to the phone invasion nyame nkan wo mo
beti na na be
na mo ye ho adwuma.
Oh yes.
Into wo mo e say adi phone mo hye nkom ya mo ye ho adwuma na enokre.
Yes, ye ho adwuma.
Into papa oboni mo ye.
Ye timi ye ho adwuma ne be.
Into bi hye nkom
so. I don't know because of the this for be na not to me so be ko ama me panacha wo. Because oni nyame na na mo beti ne ku. Ewurade se o de 2 million odin amayen.
Okay.
Dia ye pen ye dan. Ye. It is a Kennedy to me about one time ever pagan and my in Achawa. Ye mu bi ye ne Ewurade be kasa. What I say dia me kasa election. Nyame until election mu.
Okay.
God will never even set one where they are politician because the politician no way believe. To me be nyame me dai anyhow. But ye for sometimes we declare prophetic word with our own strength that God has given to us.
Okay, so na wo ma yate ase se nyame ni amanyosemu ni twaka.
There be
ayemwa na mo ka.
Yanka say before we get mission come ya yekwa mama na bem.
Okay. Ene nyame na aka.
There be
Odifo ka say 2028 ye nto aba wo Ghana.
Oh yes.
We na so dey say.
2028 ye nto aba because in the realm of the spirit no me who say parliament e change constitution.
Okay.
Almost say constitution na say 2028 no election.
Na dey say beto ni ye be no.
Ye beto ni ta in spiritual say na Ewurade che am say no kwa dia either 2029 and now say Mahama will go for a tete.
Tete agenda that's all.
Oh yes.
Enkoy.
There be.
As
Mama Ghana ayana eye be sare. Ye president o. Ghana don't need a president o. My Ghana need leader. Ghana don't need president now. But right now, one thing that Ghana need is leader. Who is leader?
Okay.
And until I get ready for that, you can say, "Ya casa will to me." Semble. Yes.
Okay. Odifo sabre MPP komana yebo na se ne bi kan ka say aka 9 days ya hwe fi ono abonsem so abedru. Afi ye hwe campaign messages a wo mo de ko. Dr. Muhammad Bawumia de a work honorable Kende, Dr. Brian Champon, honorable Owusu Chum, and afi Kwabena Japan. E bi just as other aspirants nyina agange up. And now almost already tell Dr. Muhammad Bawumia.
Bempah.
Okay.
Bempah. Oba asoma make a market. Bempah. Bawumia will win the election.
31st July.
31st July.
9 days to go.
9 days. Bawumia will win the election.
For some memoir.
Messi abebem life and call
Say memoir.
Messi abebem menjes ambemini ntonti. Messi abebem life and call it.
Okay.
Dr. Bawumia will take over. Mark my words and read my lips. Dr. Bawumia will win the election hands down. TMN. MPP for a lot of mistake. In spiritually, Bawumia tiakunyano so. So we have mistake. No mu ya pano at the mark candidate the power. Party in the co-position for 20 good years. Oh yes.
Other camps and also say one person will be happening. Edema Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. So be also say spiritual and as a maybe because some mistake we are being the man honorable Kenan. That is a Sunday TV and we are moving to me so about number 2.
Yes, I don't bet you made the answer politician you are for.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a politician
oh, sir.
Yeah, but sometimes we base our strength. They already are doing and they already are mine because I already told that they are proving. I baby I had 2 I just 10 days and they are proving.
Oh, okay.
Politicians running the abandoned.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes.
Odifo ye sha afiase encheye na me no bedi nkomo e ma wo ka se ye mompa ye fama ye parliament house because ne wo hu ho no enye ya nto anka akosranso ye na MP ba ko afimu ya sa be by election e ba be koso ye nim sanke no anu na no ye sa hoda sore ya se ya sponsor da ne dia to ma meti wo afimu so bosume ni bosume kakra mu ani wi e na ya sponsor da ne dia to Odifo afimu e mutise
I feel young Cassani a victory for Ghana.
And you did wash us.
Yes, a woman can't a memo. A woman parting. A memo parting. William said, de bia me kase eja hihye na ekoso no eye bi no na hye somase yesade no enye sunsun ade
oh different
oh yes me say
about for didja
eja hihye na ekoso no eye enipa e be kreti enye sunsun ade
die nti na nipa da sani asebe na adwene mu da ho na baby a amanfo edidwa ma wo nsa ko ma no no wo kwa akohye ho na wo de ayede
modo ne bibi
baby
ebi no mo de politics jandam one ebi no so dwuma mo de ne say okoji loan kase na ebonu so no wontimi ntua wo hu se wa boka no ana o se sika no kosie na odija to ono no store ni odija to the store ni mo a na sia loan no wo ga no ni dwa na ayeden
ashe se ne ye franchi onye de abetua
never to ayeden
ashe
ye wo insurance
okay
you don't know people's plan Ghana ne yeteno ne catch us I just na ekoso
na no ada ne ekoso wo circle Madina
forget it I am confident anu adwuma ye before ye tun so ka kesunso I am confident anu adwuma
okay
wo mo so about be campaign say mahama betena kondia so a na market session wo be ho kai
intina ye nkofo bi sanu adwuma se ne wo keka kwedie ayamanyofo sa no adwuma
oh mama we feel that we can Japan have a cow TV for that.
Sir.
Oh yes.
What can I say?
Also Mahama ebo palm your position market. Anameboa.
Oh, okay.
It is a Mahama ebo palm your position market. Or some what Mahama said. So Mahama nim nothing a jabia so baby or Obama ya percent down. Now that cow TV. Yes. Intimate choice I am for being I know what I'm talking about, ma'am.
Okay. Odi for what say ewo ni de eno we nam nyonko na afi we ye victory me send the sabium say enkunim de eye dan ye de esu ne di kan
me bacho me kan ewo 2025 say afi eye victory for Ghana what I say victory for Ghana is so mine be ko ye
okay
yes but esu ewo the parliament ho any other staff me kan me tena kasapa more than can come more than 14.
Okay.
If you presenters beko. Yes, I am to 4 beko. Yes, me can say even lawyers we don't bet also and planning for be any other. But a idea a work can impact wow. By soon so we are yet under against President Bahama.
Kami bibi sasa ne wudi kaka se ewo wo ho e kanipa kwa ho se ne se woka so afia ye besimi parliament house bi be presenters bi be call lawyers bi be kwa se e normal way
and I thought we ni ya dey say so much ya dey fight to jandam so ma wo so mo the first kasa ma enfa Mahama be dia akonwe in the first term who say so obi edisika who say sika bia for obi nsa say no dey bia kwa jandam
okay
and politician can kill you to do jandam and I know there we a politician no down ma kwase bi ko no be campaign
okay
intro say we pambo yes
ebi just se ne woka se Mahama ye mampani obedi ade bibia sanko se Ghana for be just so mampani 1 year ya ye bonamba so yesu sumbo because first year for every government and ya na ye honeymoon times and we know and sheda anya ade bia ye beje na the second
name I want to say so ogwa ye wo Ghana na mampani ekufu adoba the first time ogwa busia bebre
okay
the first time ogwa busia bebre Mahama wa bako the first time ogwa busia bebre wa Ghana what I say me trust Mahama second campaign wa mbaka ke na nyame de ne ba so o meto nyoma ye ma o man no
okay
Mahama is the savior for Ghana and Japan for the man make a tell and so mpo Mahama will go for a third term. I repeat this message. Either or 5 or better not for about 4 years. Yes.
Odi for sasemi are walking. Your former president, John Yakunkufo, or make his suggestion and say 4 years no isa. It's a career 5 years. That time no it be an chairman, woman penny. And in the Ghana for be can say man penny John Dramani Mahama ba. That's what no Spaniard said so I didn't say 4 years nisa. In Siberia be a family for 5 years. Yate, but and shall say on nothing so. Or no co, na for flower pepper, or measure 5 years.
Man, cancer.
Negana for canon.
Debbie.
na yɛ sɛ yɛ bɛkɔ 5 years a ɔbɛhyɛ
ɔno na bɛhyɛ ahyɛ wɔn so
ɛnkɔfa basabasa yɛ wɔ
basabasa frɛ yɛ fa
amanyɔsɛm
Debbie,
internal politics wɔ
ɛyɛ constitution.
Okay. Into constitution na bɛma ne sɛ ɔnkɔ.
Yes.
Ɔno start ana
constitution. Na so na abati. Yes, sɛ constitution na ɔwɔ pass yɛ adwuma da de na. Yɛnyɛ constitution to wɔn kɛsɛ 5 years time ɛnsa aseɛ.
Okay.
Debbie. Ti yɛhyɛ constitution mmerɛ bi wɔ parliament ya. Parliament gye tu mu na yɛsensan yɛ na ayɛ dɛn. Ɛyɛ adwuma saa bɛ constitution teɛ.
Okay.
Nti sɛ ɔmo kɛsɛ ɔmo ntwɛn yɛn na ɔmo bɛtwɛn na nyame yɛ atom a another 8 years Mahama twane da bia de ɔbɛba na wabɛsɛ saa mmara no
sɛ aka no 110
Mahama nka no 110 Ghana fo ayɛ na mente ɔmo ase o ɛnka Mahama 110
odifo aka ne sɛn
Mahama wɔ mo years obetumi atu akonya no so bisam sɛ adentia Ghana fo to abɛsɛ yɛ to obi obetumi abɛyɛ ɔman yie
okay
ana meboa yankasa yɛ to abɛsɛ obi amedi president ni bi no nko enti so obi aba na yɛ fɛ na 4 years the all year no boni bi no ho e fi bi no dey esa akoto abeko yi mampene ho fro
oh ti Ghana for kwa be ya den sa ba no kwa ye nkoto
that is it
okay
because Ghana for na decide you pointing at Mahama teso
Ghana for
it is a Ghana for a demonstration say Mahama say na wubu o man ne de ye MPP for support us at aso what do you do
no need choice
constitution na do ni pa e wo power check constitutional
ya wo no ankasa pa mu akasa
oh yes or your politics or your politician who need politicians
okay you know as a word that
e just the Japan obeka tire Ghana kwa so no e katafia nya no be ba o nechida ya to agbo rusi o kodi de ja no ni de ma me politics dia obeka me try bibia bi o enti Mahama ankasa na fam no kan no bibi wo NDC party mu a message we me dey ma NDC mpanimfo bi no ni ya wo emergency
okay
because me who esum bi a enam kwemo ba me ya honorable Jiros Dabra
okay
honorable me ya no me ya ya ma me jenna na oboku ajeman
vice president
me ya the serious
okay
and na me ya Sami Jenfi yes because me who say obi ato me Sami Jenfi
okay
na or the Sami Jenfi ekoja enso bi na ya Sami Jenfi nko ani NDC party ni ya die si ye ni
okay
abra ye to abewie ye na Sami Jenfi ka say good board ableki license bia mo bia omo ko check enkofo bi omo ye go first operation omo ko ye che enkofo no omo ti young guy bi ka ho I don't know that young guy but that young guy no omo tie no tie me omo ti young guy ni sika e ko almost 18 billion na that young guy no we ja no so no nka ho bi ba sika de de me nya so so mo de ama no enti young guy no so friend na na bi o ye konfo e na na de no me ku for ma to me enti sa Sami Jenfi saka sa part we ka ke mo sa dan screenshot and record ma me sa honorable Sami Jenfi me respect no be no one number but me friend no
adintia
oh yes o friend na won view enti me de fa internet ya ma no e wa mo brase no wo kwan so
okay
me respect ni na me ya ka me fi no
okay
but se ne nim ku ase bi ka me
o ye ndisi
me ye ndisi ni ba me yo mai ba
okay
boy no mo tin boy no ni sika ni sika papa
okay
wa bo ni sika ho ban
okay
it is a Sami Jenfi person yet to be nimonyam e wo man nanim na me future presidency ni timi be mo a o hwehwe me kire kwan
okay odifo na me sure say sa brady message ya odi akoi honorable wate na odifo ye de nkomo no e ba besi 31st won be kwa koto aba wo chere say Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ene be fa aba no
message na me ya adomo a tie me ye pa Ghana fo tie a aye na me ya adomo a 31st January abaya ye koto yi honorable Bawumia so honorable honorable Dr. Pascal
His Excellency because I am
Vice President. Excellency because on your president.
Former Vice President.
Former Vice President.
Okay. His Excellency.
As former President. Okay, and the TM.
Okay.
Me say Ghana for and record part week I can send to her mama. Cameraman me pachaya a haka kri. Eh, yame pa. Ghana for record part week. a year former Vice President Bawumia 31st January Abana ye Kotono former Vice President Bemini hands down.
And yes, I run off Bibe
Debbie,
and yes, I have a cocoa.
Debbie,
we are meant to see
Debbie,
were funny totally so
far. Bawumia ever far Bano hands down. Nadian of phobia in
okay.
Every America.
Okay.
And Muntin of phobia walk agenda say Kennedy really made no secret or not. By that time on president or your campaign Kennedy.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. After staff no who your campaign or Kabino. Or when you now a campaign ya support to Kennedy. Into my business or to Abana who not the vote. Kennedy. By soon ye will be a 10 Yabano.
Dr. Brian Champo and some are walking. No, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia Campo.
TMA.
And now nobody was said to you. No, also Dr. Muhammad.
Never come to TMA. And yet, some for 1 year to about 2024. I'm going to this car.
Okay.
So, Aboka.
Okay.
Yenum Yaka. The radiator Nameka. Bawumia, now me dinechi. Because Nakuma me fita.
Okay.
On Jonathan, you been working. Okay. And say Dr. Bawumia, former Vice President. Or no, and the baby need Akunyano. Hands down.
Name of one man penny.
On to me, penny. I was 2028.
Okay.
Men can't want to be a president too. But 2028, on to be a president.
Okay. But flag bearer need India.
Flag bearer is a politician, a radical domino. But so continue. Nana me and the great feelings. Now what was for Bawumia will be a president in Ghana.
Oh, therefore, I can't do a children.
The American tried Ghana for you, and say, Mawinda or Awabrabu, me too for as a Christoni, and yet the other was a Ujina as a Christoni. Men never sabasa, the no crema on. ATM. Me will branch our Kasua, American Junction, Kasua. Bomadi so do we bet in Wednesday, I'm a Pabia, sorry. Friday, and you may be sorry. Sunday, we didn't our Kasua. Bomadi Nabra, and Wadina and Sasso, Everma and Sanchane, Iowa. Council so a Tuesday, and a pack 10. Bra, not a Wadan from the soap, so. A Wadi shop, and only a foot to my catch now.
Oh, therefore, me that's I was here. Meda once was a baby, say, baby, Ayana, Yabase, when you're bringing a daje. Now the shade media no emami and Dr. Powerman and ID and Komono. Messers over our comments, our comment section or Ediamami, all the social media handles no. Too much GH. Oh, subscriber like no share. Now for so any share. Me at the dark code, your best share.